Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today I will be making taro dumpling soup. These taro dumplings have fillings and just make a wonderful explosion of flavor in your mouth. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by peeling the taro and rinse it. After rinsing, slice the taro and steam it for 20 minutes. Let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. While we wait for the taro to steam, I use dried Shiitake mushroom. This has been soaked for 1 hour. I like to start by cutting the stem from the mushroom, then slice the mushroom. Next, put up the bok choy and rinse it off. Now we want to cut the green onion. Make sure to separate the white part from the green. Next, let's make the filling. Add oyster sauce, light soy sauce, white pepper, cornstarch, sesame oil, white part of the green onion, and egg white into the ground pork. And mix well. Now check up on the taro. When the taro is nice and soft, then it's ready. Put it in a bowl and mash it. Then add tapioca flour and mix it while slowly adding hot water. Now add some vegetable oil in the dough. Make sure to completely mix the ingredients together. Next, fill the dough with the filling. You can use some oil to keep the dough from sticking to your hand. Take some of the dough and turn it into a bowl with an opening. Then take some filling and place it in the hole and close it. Now boil some water and cook the dumplings. Make sure to gently mix it around to prevent it from sticking. We want to cook the dumplings for 10 to 12 minutes total. When the dumplings start to float, add the mushrooms. Then add salt, chicken powder, and light soy sauce. When the soup is almost ready, blanch the bok choy for a minute and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Wow, looks shiny. Looks so good. Let's try it. That's a very big bite. Let's try the soup. Wow, so delicious. You can taste the Shiitake Mushroom. It's very delicious. The taro ball is soft and a little bit chewy, and the filling is savory. It's very good. If you guys have any questions and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。